Hi, welcome to my landing page. By now you got here from either scanning the QR code or you punched in the URL, www.directmarketingadvertisementnearme.com. Are you a struggling business owner who needs to make money during COVID-19 by getting your brand in front of more qualified prospects and increasing your bottom line? If so, I have a thing just for you. I created this special consumer awareness guide on how to avoid making mistakes by putting your brand's reputation in the wrong hands. Fill in your information below, download this special consumer awareness guide, and get in contact with me for a completely free 20-minute marketing makeover. Download this consumer awareness guide, click on my calendar link, and let's get together. I appreciate your time and consideration. Thank you.